Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol IGEX. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Did this analysis yesterday and pretty much called it for what it was, a total pump and dump. And I made the comment that, I'm not saying the price can never make another nice move again. And to give full credit where credit's due, the bulls they're flexing their muscles there a little bit. There's still a whole lot of work that needs to be done, don't get me wrong. But yeah, after yesterday and all the downwards pressure, the price spent today slowly creeping its way back upwards. So like I said, you call it like you see, yesterday was a total, just slaughterhouse type move. But today, all of a sudden, the bulls are showing their strength again, starting to work its way back upwards. Now, the big difference here, and the one thing that's going to need to improve, is that volume dropped off quite a bit. Not that that's the end of the world, but if there is going to be any sort of chance of getting back up to these levels at 0028, 003, and so on and so forth, then yeah, you're definitely going to want to see the volume. Not saying it necessarily has to be that gigantic, but you're going to want to see volume pick up a little bit. But as of right now, the price is currently creeping its way back upwards, which brings about the one level that stands out to me as far as the resistance level is concerned, and that is right here at 0017. So it's getting close, but 0017, very curious if it does get up there, can it push through that level? Because if it can, that really opens up the chart quite a bit. And I'm not saying that necessarily means that if 0017 is broken, it's flying straight up here to 0024. But my point is that you go back and you look through the history of the chart, and there just really isn't any sort of significant areas of resistance. Sure, you have, a little one there or a little one there. But as far as, just major levels, nothing until up around that area. So the potential is definitely there for the price to get moving and moving quite quickly, because that's the final point here, is that sure, the previous action was a pump and dump, but within that, it also showed, it being the price, it being the chart, showed that, hey, the potential is there for big movements. Doesn't mean that it'll happen again, but at least it's possible. Whereas some of these charts you look at, and they'll have 1 billion shares and nothing moves. But in this situation, it can move, and it has moved in the past. So we'll see if today's movement is any sort of leading indicator going forward, but definitely worth keeping an eye on. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.